Okay, compressor just cut off, so I'm gonna get back to work on this. I couldn't find the die grinder. The only one I got is the one that's got the shield on it, and I don't like that one. So I'm gonna have to grin and bear and do it with this. Trim it up with this. The width I got right. Ooh, it may actually fit now. Oh, not yet. Oh. Ooh. Just about to knock you off there. I just hope this fucker's level. Oh, there we go. We may actually be getting somewhere now. Okie dokie. I'm gonna go find my level, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Got my little orange standard level. My thing is, I'm afraid it's gonna sit in there crooked like that, or maybe tilted back. So I need to make sure it's level. And I know this is probably not the best way to do it. It's not level according to that. It's not level according to that either. It's gonna sit in there crooked anyway. That's what I was afraid of. How crooked. There's a CD player I'm putting in here too, so it's got to be somewhat level. I mean, one of my trucks sits back, like, I mean, I don't know, it's pretty secure where it's at. It's not level, that's the only thing. Nowhere's near level. Oh. Move y'all over just a little bit, and hopefully that phone don't fall. Yeah, that's not level at all. Now, there's what we're talking about. There's level right there. That way. This way I'm not going to be able to fix unless I come up on this side. Maybe the way the dash is too, so I mean, I'm just going by the cuts off that. Well, the air conditioner thing ain't level, so I mean, I just want it to be level going back. So here's what we're gonna do. It's gonna have to be like that though. So I gotta be able to put the thing back on. Let me look, do some more looking. I don't know how long or how far back this radio is going to go. So, I mean, what I'm afraid is going to happen is it's going to hit some wires back there or something, you know what I mean? There's some wires right there for the AC shit, which I do need to take a look at as well. Man, like, yeah. I don't think that radio's going to go back that far, but still. Some people might just say I just destroyed the dash in this truck, but I was going to have to cut it regardless. So, I mean, I guess that's where it's going to have to reside at. So, I mean, I ain't got no other choice. So we're going to bend these down now. Two